Hey guys, this is BOKE'S world, and today we're going to cook a creamed omena. Our omena is already deep fried. That is coconut cream, nimemix na roiko. Then we have spices. It's optional if you don't like spices. Si lazima utumie. We have 1 roiko cube, tomatoes, onions, and dania. If you don't have coconut cream, you can use milk as well. I like deep fried omena because ni rahisi kupika. Pia unaweza ikula kama snacks. It's so sweet when it's deep fried. Fry your onions until golden brown. That is what I'm doing. Roiko cube. Then add your tomatoes. That is when it's deep fried.